Children, so next problem in trigonometry, exercise 11.4, ninth problem. If secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p, then find the value of sin theta in terms of p. So given one condition is secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. So by using this condition, we have to find out sin theta value in terms of p. So here the main formula we used, here secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. It is our second identity. So we will use this identity to solve this problem. So first write the given condition, given secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. So as I said, use this formula now. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So it is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So secant square theta minus tan square theta, a square minus b square. So expand. Secant theta plus tan theta means a plus b into secant theta minus tan theta, a minus b, which is equals to 1. So in given condition, secant theta plus tan theta value is p. So keep here p in place of secant theta plus tan theta. So p into secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. So take this into p to RHS, it will become by p. So secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So in given condition, consider this one as equation 1. So now we got one more condition. Now consider this one as equation 2. So total now we have two equations. Solve those two equations. Means first add these two equations. Add 1 and 2. Adding equations means add LHS plus LHS, RHS minus RHS. So add those two conditions. Means secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So when you are adding, no need to change the signs. So plus tan theta minus tan theta will cancel. So secant theta plus secant theta gives 2 secant theta. So 2 secant theta is equals to add RHS plus RHS. So p plus 1 by p. So that implies 2 secant theta is equals to, here take LCM, denominators are 1 and p, LCM is p. So do cross multiplication, p into p, p square plus 1 into 1, 1. So secant theta is equals to p square plus 1 by, so this into 2 will come, RHS side will become by 2. So by 2p. So now we got secant theta value as p square plus 1 by 2p. In the same way, now we are going to find the tan theta value. Now we have to subtract 1 and 2. Now subtract 1, 2 equations. So 1 and 2. So secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. So when you are subtracting, change the sign. So plus sin theta will change to minus, minus will change to plus, here plus will change to minus. So here plus secant theta minus secant theta will cancel. So here you have to change the signs for the second equation. Okay. Next, tan theta plus tan theta gives 2 tan theta is equals to p minus 1 by p. Here we changed the sign as minus, so you will get minus 1 by p. So is equals to 2 tan theta is equals to by 1. So take the LCM of the denominators 1 and p. So take the cross multiplication, p into p, p square minus 1 into 1, 1. So tan theta is equals to p square minus 1 by into 2 will become by 2. So 2p. So now we have tan theta value. So sin, before we find out secant theta, now we got tan theta. Now consider theta by secant theta. So tan theta by secant theta. Tan theta value p square minus 1 by 2p by secant theta value p square plus 1 by 2p. So tan theta means sin theta by cos theta by secant theta means 1 by cos theta, which is equals to, here 2p you can cancel. So you left p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Here cos theta cancel. So sin theta is equals to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Finally, we got the value of sin theta in terms of p. So if you observe means here p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So as asked in the question, we have to find out the value of sin theta in terms of p. So we got sin theta value in terms of p. So write the conclusion. Sin theta is equals to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So keep this one in the box. So the problem is completed. Thank you, children.